Flutter, you weren't quite what I had in mind, but,
Well, you don't know till you try, do you? Here, read these lines.
Oh.
What are you doing? Reading the lines?
You're supposed to say the words out loud.
Oh, okay.